Okay, so I'm going to make a video for you to be able to positively rule out your power supply and yet find the problem on your Samsung, what kind is this? Plasma TV. First thing is you have to not be afraid, and you have to test voltages on the connectors. All of the voltages on connector CN801 tested correct. All of the voltages on the connector CN804 did not. And here's the problem, or the way you can find out what it is. Take a look at everything, make sure no capacitors are swelled up like everybody talks about. And then go in and test the output voltage on the VSTP, which is a testing point. And there's another VA testing point. Be sure you have your meter on when you turn the TV on, because what will normally happen is the voltage will spike up to where it should be, and then within about 10 seconds go back down. The other way to verify that is to check the VS, which one is it? The VS on. When the TV is off, it should be 0. When you turn the TV on, it should go up to about 3 volts. When it's bad, it goes up to about 3 volts, then goes down to 0 in about 10 seconds or so. It kind of corresponds with the voltage drop on the 2 taps. Now, the reason for that is over here on the, I think it's the Y board. This little chip right here is the culprit. And the way you can prove it to yourself is take a air duster can, blow on that chip to cool it off, and then turn the TV on, and what do you know? It will come on. If you let the chip warm back up to ambient room temperature, then the TV won't come on. After a lot of testing and YouTube watching, this is what I found out. It's already been repaired. I've already checked it, and it comes on just fine. The repair cost me about 48 bucks plus shipping to the place. And this is all, the reason is the TV would, after it warmed up, it would not come on. If you then, after a while, if you turned it on and off 2 or 3 times, it would finally come on. And then finally, it just wouldn't come on at all. And that is the way to positively tell what is wrong with your TV, and not the, and you know, it's not the power supply board at all. Hope this helps.